Hello children, welcome back. Look at this question. थोड़ा interesting है because grade 10th का है, but something you can see over here is 3 line draw किया है, x one more line. It's not a line actually. This is what we call it as modulus. Modulus of x. अभी modulus क्या होता है? Let me explain this. Very simple language में. See here. Modulus of x, if you remove the modulus sign, then it can be taken as plus or minus x. So if you want to hide that plus minus, you can simply put a modulus. So modulus, if you open that, it will always be plus or minus. I hope it helps. But now, look at the question what we have been given on the board. It says that the total number of values of x satisfying this quadratic equation with x being under modulus sign are how much? Fine. Not a difficult task. Because you have seen this signature, then you must be having a doubt. But solution is so simple. Now I told you that modulus से बाहर निकलेगा तो plus minus आएगा. So now if you take the modulus signature out of it, then surely x would be how much? Either plus or minus. Very simple. Okay, so first case I'll write over here. Case 1, when x is what? Will take positive value of x. So when simple language में लिखना है तो when x is what? Positive. When x is positive, so our quadratic equation, what is x square minus 3? Remember, x का value positive है, so minus 3 into plus x will give me minus of 3x plus 2, which is equal to 0. अभी ये तो simple quadratic equation बन गया बेटा. Just split the middle term. What would be the factors over here? So it would be x square. अब ऐड करके -3 चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाई करके +2 चाहिए. So clearly I can go for the factors as -2x minus x +2, which is equal to 0. So first two numbers, last two numbers. Here common is x, so it would be x minus 2. Sorry, here minus sign common with the 1, so it would be x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So now you have two brackets, so either x minus 2 or x minus 1 will be equal to 0. So either x is 2 or what? X is 1. So when you take positive value of x, you get two values of x, and it's common sense. When you take x is negative, there also you will be getting two values of x. Let's find out that as well. So now we start with case 2, when x is with a negative signature. I'll underline that. Be very careful beta. अभी negative x है, so the quadratic क्या बन जाएगा? We have x square, already 3 with negative sign, and x भी negative है, so -3 into minus x will give me plus. So plus 3x plus 2, which is equal to 0. And this is like a piece of a cake for you. Everything in positive. So simple to just factorize this. Okay. So now it would be x square plus 2x plus x plus 2, which is equal to 0. We take first two and then next two. What is common here? X. So bracket में you will be having x plus 2. यहाँ पे +1 common, again in the bracket x plus 2, everything equals to 0. So now you frame two brackets, so x plus 2 and x plus 1 entirely equal to 0. So either x would be -2 or x would be equal to -1. So these are the next two values of x. So what is the question, and what if this question comes for MCQ? तो फटाफट सॉल्व होना चाहिए, करेक्ट? तो नो नीड टू सॉल्व ऑल्सो इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। तुमको मालूम पड़ा मॉड्यूलस से बाहर निकला मतलब दो वैल्यू ऑफ x आएगा, एक बार पॉजिटिव एक बार नेगेटिव, फिर दो क्वाड्रेटिक मिलेगा एंड एवरी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज हाउ मेनी रूट्स, टू रूट्स और यू कैन से टू जीरोस। तो इसके दो उधर दो। सो व्हाट आर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ x? So total number of values of x are how much? 4 in all. Thank you so much.